Everyone here looks excited, like they're about to step into the future. I genuinely was not prepared for how massive the Titanic actually feels in real life. Nobody here realizes they're standing inside one of the most famous moments in history. This might genuinely be one of the most beautiful interiors I have ever seen. I can actually understand why people believed the Titanic represented the future. This feels more luxurious than some modern hotels. You can feel how proud people were to be aboard this ship. And everyone here believes they're experiencing the peak of civilization. This doesn't feel like 1912 anymore. This feels decades ahead of its time. At night, the Titanic feels almost unreal, like a dream floating in the middle of the ocean. For many people here, the Titanic wasn't just luxury. It was hope. It's strange hearing music on this beautiful and knowing how history remembers this ship. This entire ship feels like the peak of an era that had no idea it was about to disappear. The Titanic wasn't designed like a normal ship. It was designed like an entire floating luxury city. People today imagine 1912 as primitive, but this feels unbelievably sophisticated. Everything here was designed to impress wealthy passengers the second they stepped on board. For people in 1912, sending wireless messages across the ocean must have felt almost magical. At night, the Titanic feels almost unreal, like a dream floating in the middle of the ocean. Nobody here realizes they're living inside one of the last peaceful nights before history changes forever. They're receiving more ice warnings from nearby ships. Some of these letters may never reach the people they were written for. Imagine boarding a ship in 1912 and discovering it already had electric elevators.
This doesn't feel like a ship anymore. It feels like a floating palace.
Thousands of dreams are sleeping inside this ship tonight. Right now, almost everyone on board is asleep, completely unaware of what's coming. It's hard to believe these ordinary, quiet moments would become part of history. Nobody here seems afraid. They completely trust the ship. The ocean is so calm tonight, almost unnaturally calm. It's terrifying how peaceful history can feel just before everything changes. The ocean tonight feels calm, almost too calm. The Titanic almost feels asleep now. Just a few hours ago, this place was full of life. Now it feels strangely peaceful. The ocean is so still tonight that it almost feels frozen.